Hello, everybody. What we're going to do today, I've got a new car that I'm going to open up and see what's inside. I got a couple of them, and I don't know what's in them. So let's figure it out together. Okay, we have a nice, big, ugly gray box, and we will see what's in it. Looks like Desert Eagle. And if I remember, this is brushless. Okay, man, this one comes packaged a lot different than quite a few of them I've seen. It's an
FY03.
Let me get my unboxing tool here. Okay. So this thing comes in red and silver. I wanted a red one. My wife wanted a silver one. I put my foot down and said, okay, we're going to get the silver one. So that's what we're going to review today. It comes with a spare tire. It feels like, I don't think there are any foam inserts inside these tires. I'm pretty sure there's, if it is, it's a very soft foam insert. Comes with the place for the spare tire. Now this is what I was talking about on another entry level video. This actually comes with a European plug for the charger, so you will need one of these adapters, and then you can plug it in here in the good old US of A. So this is your balance charger. It comes with, it looks like, it's a pair of 18650 lithium ions integrated into a pack, 1500 milliamp, 7.4 volt. So pretty standard. Anyway, I'll throw that on the charger and we'll give this thing a test drive later. If I can get the battery back in there. There we go. Put the clip back on. And let's see if we can take a wee bit closer look at this. So we have, again, a plastic drive shaft, pretty much just like the other truck was. No oil in the shocks, a lot of suspension travel. The front appears to me we've got the same setup as the little Pouncer, except this one doesn't have adjustable tie rods on it. So, but it's got the same plastic drive shafts. They're telescopic drive shafts, and that has a U-joint on each end of it. And the lights, there are no lights inside there. These little plastic covers, however, those are on, they actually have screw retainers in there. These, yeah, those do too. They're just black. The ones in the front are chrome. The little driver guy, I don't know if his, oh yeah, his head actually will turn. Not that that matters. But the top of the shock is aluminum, and it appears to be threaded. So I'm going to guess that I can put oil in these. I will give it a try and see. And I can't quite get into the motor on this one. The body on this one is actually metal, so I can't just flex that out. Oh wait, I can actually see down in there. So this one actually does have a brushless motor. Man, that's blowing the camera out. Let me see if I can turn that on to a lower setting. Here we go. So if you look down through there, you can just see the front of the motor. So it is a brushless motor in this one. I don't know at this point if it'll take a 3-cell LiPo or not. I'm supposing we're going to find out though. And I'll see what the top speed is on this car as opposed to the little Pouncer. See what we get on that. The radio, I'm kind of liking so far, and it's got an interesting feature. It's got the 50-50 and 60-40, which just moves the trigger further forward, so you're actually moving the potentiometer a little farther forward. And it's got the same as the other radio. You've got open and close, well, just there's no close, but open, and that actually means on. I don't know. That's the way it goes. Now, I haven't ever seen this before. This comes with a lug wrench. Now, let's see if I can get a little more light in here. Comes with a lug wrench. It comes with a couple of extra spur gears, a couple of Allen wrenches, a couple of extra battery retainer clips, and it comes with a set of keys. And what the keys are, you've got a slow mode and a fast mode, and you can turn that on and off. It's for children and high speed for adults. Let's see if I can zoom in on this. Yeah, there we go. So I haven't seen that before, and it uses these little keys, and they really are a key. So I'll try that out and let you know how that works. The other thing is this is a right or left-handed radio. So you can just push it through, and it's both of the grips are foam covered. So, and it uses 4 AA batteries. So I'll get all of this stuff thrown together, put a charge in the battery, and we'll take this one out and see what it does. Yeah, all of the parts have part numbers on them. So in the event that you do need replacement parts, everything is labeled, and there comes with a bucket load of stickers if you like to put stickers on there. So not a bad deal, and I'll get a chance to run the thing and we'll see what it does. While I have the GPS out here, I'm going to go ahead and test this car, the Desert Eagle. One thing I can say is that the power switch is, I guess, was hot glued in place, and it's already come loose. So aside from that, I can just get some double-sided tape and stick it back down.
Now, you've never done it?
No, this is the first test with this one. And this is with the factory 2-pack 18650 1500 milliamp. And this does have a brushless motor. It's pretty small, but it's pretty punchy, lifting the front tire, one front tire off the ground. See what we got for top speed. 30 kilometers per hour. So not overly fast. That getting that in there. Okay, I got the little LiPo in there. Let's see what kind of performance differences we see, if any. Seems like it's a little stronger off the line. See if we can get some top speed on it. No, knock the GPS off though. Wow, lost the GPS again. Double-sided tape is letting me down. Okay, we'll try this again. See what we have for top speed. 32. I'll show that to you in a second. I got 34 out of it. And that's with the 2-cell LiPo, and 30 with the lithium-ion battery was the best I could do. So a teeny bit faster and a little bit more punch off the line, I think.
Hey, I've got a request. Please subscribe. It'll help the channel go and it's free to you. Also, if you don't mind, let me know, was the slow motion too long? Put the answer in the comments down below if you would, please. And you have a great day, and I will catch you down the road.